Yeah, man, what's going on? Are you a motorcycle rider that has the same problem as me? Your one keychain looks like this. Your other motorcycle keys are on a separate little key ring like this, little loop, and you're always losing it. So today I got something for you. I was having the same problem. So I went out and found the best key tags on the market out at motoloop.com. Chris hooked me up. Let me tell you, I got the first edition West Virginia Motard Walk Good key tags. Now if you want one of these, all you got to do is email me right here and I'll get you your own West Virginia Walk Good key tags. Now this is a limited edition now, so there's not many of them. So if you want your own key tag to get your motorcycle keys separated from your house keys, your car keys and everything else, and plus it looks stylish as hell on a motorcycle. So Chris really hooked me up on this one. So you guys need to go email me here, get your own West Virginia Motard Walk Good keychain. These things are sick, man. Nice and soft, perfect. Fits right in your pocket. Put them on your keys, fits right in your pocket. Look at that. You're never going to lose your keys. You can separate them from your other keys. You will know which ones are which when you reach into your pocket. So check that out, man. First off the press, wvmotard. Also, you guys, this is going to be an awesome week too. Goggles. What's today? I don't even know what the day is, but the 28th of February, 2 goggles. Still haven't heard from the other guy, so 2 goggles are going to be given away here in a couple days. So make sure you go out and tell your friends to subscribe. Come out and see the loon. People say I'm on crack. I ain't on crack. Look, I got on my teeth. If I was on crack, don't you think I would have no teeth? But hey, thanks for those comments anyways, you guys. But anyways, yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit your likes, comments. You know, I always like to hear from you guys. Been getting some great comments, some emails. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, all the other things, you know. Check me out and email me for your nice West Virginia Motard Walk Good key tags. And like I always say, be safe and walk good. Yeah, Mom, what's going on? Hey, the weather's been kind of crappy, so I haven't been able to ride and stuff. So I thought, well, I've seen on the internet how you're able to take a dent out with boiling water. So I boiled some water and I'm going to try this. So I got this a couple weeks ago. I was going across a frozen pond, or not pond, I should say. It was a stream, and I went in pretty fast. I didn't know it was frozen, and obviously buckled it. So let's try this and we'll see if it works. So let's give it a shot. Looks like most of it, it's a bad angle to get it on, but looks like most of it is, it's looks like it's actually trying to come out. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I saw a couple videos that the guy poured some hot water and then he went from behind. Got a little bit of it. Oh! Well, I guess it does work. Some hot water on some plastic, and you can get your dent out of your bumper. So that is not, that I should say, myth is true. I can't bust that myth because it popped right out, as you guys can see. So yeah, so if that ever happens, give it a shot. So hope you guys enjoy this little Science Sunday video, and always walk good.